Hello friends, you are welcome to my video which is based on Olympiad exams. In the previous video, I told you about the Olympiad exams which is very helpful for all the students. Because now in this challenging world, you should know to study smart instead of studying hard. And obviously, Olympiad exams are the smartest choice. So, what are you waiting for? Hurry up, register now. You will not only get the chance to compete with different students, you will also get the chance to win exciting prizes. So students, be quick and register yourself for Olympiad exams. You can opt for annual or monthly Olympiad. There is single registration form available. Now, free maths exam on selecting on any 3 annual subjects only for limited period. You will get this offer. What are the things we have or benefits we have in the Olympiad exams? See, among the innumerous benefits, we have pointed only few. What are they? Online exams, which has become the trend now, we all know. Offline exams, message alert system, Golden School Award, Inspiring Teacher Award, Motivating Headmaster Principal Award, additional features and benefits. Okay, the Olympiad ranking. The Olympiad ranking of the student is a mathematical analysis of their academic scores compared to the scores of other students. The ranking for Olympiad exams is determined considering the scores of both rounds. The scores are converted into ranks. The student is eligible to perceive rank when he or she fits into the ranking criteria. Now the actual thing or the exciting thing is the first 4 rank holders are awarded with exciting prizes. The ranking is determined by the grading system. Millions of students participate in these exams. Thousands are awarded every year. It's very famous and prestigious exam. So many are participating and many are awarded also every year. So don't worry or don't be afraid or scared to participate in this. Olympiad participants are winners in themselves. Yes, because if you have the courage or if you have the spirit to participate in such prestigious exam, you are yourself a winner. Participating in the prestigious Olympiad exams shows the competitive spirit of a student. Now the rewards. What prizes? See, the cash prize, national rank holders and cash prize of the state rank holders. It's too much exciting, isn't it? Prizes also includes laptops, tablets, medals, certificates, etc. So if you work hard and if you can crack these exams, these prizes are waiting for you. Okay, now this information is for you how you can prepare yourself. You can previously only I told that you can participate for monthly as well as for annual Olympiads. Now, if you participate in monthly Olympiads, what will happen? Every means frequently you will give the tests, and it will make you prepare for the annual Olympiads. So this is the advantage of participating in monthly Olympiad. Monthly Olympiads are like mock tests or demo tests that are conducted every month for science, maths, English, GK, drawing and essay. So when every month it is conducted, you will be prepared nicely, because every month you will have to give the exam, you will have to prepare yourself, and your concept will also become clear. These tests are conducted online every 4th Saturday. Students can participate using any devices like tablet, smartphone, and participate the whole year for the practice the whole year for the annual Olympiad. Means like a routine, if your tests are being conducted, you will be prepared yourself for the annual Olympiad, and you will get the chance to win exciting prizes. The monthly Olympiads are conducted on chapter-wise questions. That makes it easy for students to prepare different chapters. It's easy and it's convenient also when the tests are prepared chapter-wise. Because if it is prepared chapter-wise, you will get the chance and you will have the enthusiasm to prepare the full chapter and to give the test. Now you can refer to different workbooks, Olympiad workbooks. Workbooks provide vast information on various topics. Students can participate and prepare for the Olympiads with these workbooks. These workbooks are very helpful for the students. They can get idea about their chapter and they can get many questions, sample of questions from these workbooks. So, again I am saying, don't wait. It's better late than never. So students, register now. And you can visit the website for information. Thank you all.